Hey friends, if you encounter the error driver IRQL not less or equal kbdclass sys blue screen of death error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolutions. So the first solution will be to disconnect the peripherals, especially external keyboards, and check if it helps. If not, the next solution is to update Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates in the right pane. The next solution will be system restore, so search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Go to open system restore, click on next, finish, and then click on yes to initiate the system restore process. And the last solution will be to update the keyboard driver, so search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for keyboard drivers, right click on the first one and update drivers. Right click on the second one and update drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.